Best car ever.
Let's hear it.
Bro, winter, anything. Oh, you want to hear it?
Yeah, we heard it.
Yeah, bro, best car ever. It's 523 horsepower. Insane. And like you just feel it wants to keep pulling.
Bro, the streets are horrible.
Yeah. Look, show them straight. I've seen GPS. Yeah, we missed a turn, buddy. It's cool. It's cool. We're riding in the M4 competition. And I'm driving like this, I'm low on gas. I have 85 kilometers left. Kilometers, the people in the States. I think like 2 kilometers is 1 mile. About
3.
3?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Is it annoying though, always taking bumps like this?
Bro, the car is not too low. Like for example, if you had like a Porsche and like a 911, that would be annoying. But for the M4, like bro, this car's a tank. Do whatever I want. Yeah, low key, we're gonna be late because we missed the turn. But it's cool. Just find parking. That's the most important thing. Yeah, so no sunset. Actually beautiful. Now Montreal's a sick city.
Look at this guy, man.
Listen. Guy driving a bike or guy driving an M4? Ooh, like, come on. We're gonna listen to that guy? Come on. It's cool. At least I didn't like hit him. So yeah, we got Danny on the camera right now. That's my brother. Yeah, show him. So if they don't like you, they're gonna leave a comment. Let's find a nice parking. Look at this G-Wagon. Say whatever you want. G-Wagon, best car all around. It's a tank, like you're actually driving a tank.
Better than M4.
Listen, it's different. M4 is like, you know, like you're having fun, going fast, 2 doors, orange seats. Show the orange seats. Look at that. But the G-Wagon, you're just a G. Look, this guy's giving parking tickets. I hate those guys. Yeah, we gotta park legal, or else we're gonna get ticket. 100% guarantee. I don't know about you, but like I don't like wagons.
Why?
I don't know. I just like you know, like it looks like this. It looks like a Golf. It looks like a Golf. But listen, it's an M5. How do I look in this outfit, by the way? Yeah.
Show them the tattoo, bro. Show them the tattoo. All of them.
Little dagger, little star, and the sun and the moon to complete it.
Do you have a re?
What?
A low re?
Okay, that's one. Nice one, Dan. By the way, this video is filmed on an iPhone. How's the quality?
Fire.
Right? I think when we're gonna post it, everyone's gonna like it.
Yo. What car is that?
Yeah, what is this car? Get closer, get closer. Look at the taillights. I love that car so much.